Esteemed dignitaries, Mr. K. Fasiuddin, Director, Global Professional Colleges.
Mrs. Ravindra Tiwari Madam, Dean, Global Professional Colleges.
Professor Dr. P. Raja Rao, Principal, Global Institute of Engineering and Technology.
Respected Sir, Dr. G. Ahmad Zishan, Head, Department of Electronics and Communication Engineering, Vice Principal, Global Institute of Engineering and Technology, dignitaries, guests and students. I am Dikshita from EC Final Year.
I am Akshay from EC third year.
We are your host for today.
We feel privileged to extend a warm welcome to all present here for the Electronics Carnival 2026.
As a humble beginning towards empowerment of our society through technology to create a better tomorrow, the Department of Electronics and Communication Engineering presents you Electronics Carnival 2026, the Enlightened Talents.
Everything begins with an idea.
Ideas provoke imagination,
Imagination thrives for improvement.
and these together with proper implementation make a dynamic engineering.
Electronics Carnival 2026 sets a stage to perform, to innovate, and to excel.
I request Mr. K. M. Fasiuddin Sir, Director, Global Professional Colleges, to please occupy the seat on the dais.
I request Dr. Ravindra Tiwari Ma'am, Dean Global Professional Colleges, to please occupy the seat on the
I request Professor Dr. P. Rajarao Sir, Principal, Global Institute of Engineering and Technology, to please occupy the seat on the dais.
I request Dr. G. Ahmad Zishan Sir, Head of Electronics and Communication Engineering, Vice Principal, Global Institute of
I request Mrs. Anwar Jan Madam, Assistant Professor and Coordinator, Electronics Carnival 2026, please occupy the seat on the dais. Now I request Dr. G. Ahmad Zishan Sir, Head, Department of Electronics and Communication Engineering, Global Institute of Engineering and Technology, to present the welcome address and presentation of department report. Please, sir.
5-page report. Thanks, Ms. Akshita. Dignitaries on the days. Our dynamic director, sir, K. M. Fasiuddin, sir. Dean of Global Professional Colleges, Professor Dr. Mrs. Ravindra Tiwari Madam. Principal, Global Institute of Engineering Technology, Professor Dr. P. Raja Rao, sir. Principals of our sister colleges, Global College of Pharmacy and Global Education Center, deans of various units, heads of the departments, faculty members, and the coordinator of Electronics Carnival, Madam Anwar Jahan, and all the student participants. A very good morning to one and all. It's my deepest privilege that to stand here in front of you and present this report, and this is the 9th report of the department and 9th electronics carnival. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, as we grow, we need to find new ways and means to retain and enhance our spirit of innovation and maintain an enthusiastic environment wherein people feel empowered to do things, to take on challenges, to innovate and not to be scared of making mistakes. Clearly, there is a lot happening in the department that its staff and students, as well as its well-wishers and supporters, can be truly proud of. A lot of what the department has achieved in its short life has been possible due to tremendous hard work and confidence of the staff and students of this department, and faith and encouragement of management and numerous well-wishers of the department. I'm very happy to present the department report to you all. We believe in continuous learning and updating ourselves, for which here are the few activities of staff and students which were taken up since Electronics Carnival 2025. The activities which faculty have done, there are a lot of activities. I'll cut it short. Dr. G. Ahmad Zishan, Mr. Altafur Rahman have participated in FDP, Ignite Certification FDP, organized by JNQH, and this was held during the Dasara vacation. This proves that the Department of EC even utilizes the vacation period and believes in upgrading themselves. Dr. G. Ahmad Zishan, Head ECE, Mr. Khaja Khadar Muhyiddin, Assistant Professor, Mr. M.D. Altafur Rahman, and Mrs. L. Soumya, Mr. Kazim Sharif have successfully completed 12-week NPTEL course on Introduction to Industry 4.0 and Internet of Things from July to October 2025, and they have received a certificate, this silver and elite. Dr. G. Ahmed Zishan and Altaf Rahman have successfully completed 12-week NPTEL course on software engineering from July to October 2025. Mr. Khaja Father Muhyiddin, Mrs. Ajmeri Fatima, Mrs. Shivani Bai have successfully completed 12-week NPTEL course on Introduction to Internet of Things from July to October 2025. Mrs. Ajmeri Fatima, Mr. Muhammad Kazim Sharif, Mrs. Shivani Bai have successfully completed 12-week NPTEL course on Python programming in July 2025. Mrs. L. Soumya and Mr. Muhammad Kazim Sharif have completed a 12-week NPTEL course on cloud computing from July to October 2025. Mrs. Ajmeri Fatima has successfully completed a 12-week NPTEL course on machine learning from July to October 2025. Dr. G. Ahmed Zishan, Mr. Altaf Rahman have participated in a 2-day faculty development program on PCB design and fabrication organized by Directorate of Innovation Entrepreneurship JNTUH on October 24 and 25 at JNTUH in the evening hours. Mrs. Ajmeri Fatima, Assistant Professor, Department of ECE, has submitted a paper titled Market Clearing Strategies for Peer-to-Peer Energy Trading, a comparative study in the transactive microgrids which has got accepted in Q1 Springer Journal. This requires a round of applause, please. Mr. M.D. Altaf Rahman has published a paper on intelligent traffic sign and lane detection using SSLA for autonomous driving application, and it is also published in Q2 Journal of Scopus. From Electronics Carnival 2025 to 2026 till yesterday, the department has 18 papers to its credit by the various faculty in Scopus journals. Mr. M.D. Altaf Rahman has successfully completed 12 NPTEL courses in CSE domain, and he is named as NPTEL Domain Star by NPTEL IIT Madras. Professor M. Devaraju, Professor, Department of ECE, has participated in a 5-day online FDP on advances in 6G wireless communication networking organized by Center for Training and Learning, National Institute of Technology, Varangal, from 15th to 19th December 2025. And certain student activities, I'll cut it short again. There are 18 students of ECE second year who have successfully completed 12-week NPTEL course on electronic system design and hands-on circuits, and the names are Mr. Rajwini Bharat Kumar, Mr. Samala Pranava Shesha Sai, Mr. Naveen, Ms. Rasnika, Mr. Abdul, Mr. Maz Ahmed, Ms. Iqra Anjum, Mr. Kammani Srinath, Ms. Vemu Deepika, Mr. Prashant Kumar, Ms. Lavanya, Mr. Ajay Kumar, Ms. Vijay Shalu, Ms. Pranita, Ms. Aisha Begum, Ms. Sheikh Sumaya, Ms. Induri Neha, Ms. Tabassum Amri. These 18 students, they have successfully completed 12-week NPTEL course, and they have received certificates from NPTEL, which are with silver medal at elite. A big round of applause for them. In the recent autonomous results released by the Office of Control of Examinations, that is first year, second semester, among the top 10 students of the college, 5 are from the Department of Electronics and Communications. In the recent results which were released, among the top 10 students, 5 students are from Department of ECE. And they are Rajwini Bharat Kumar, Iqra Anjum, Ms. Vemu Deepika, Ms. Pranita, and Ms. Aisha Begum. I thank management for increasing the intake of Department of ECE from 30 seats to 60 seats for academic. There is still a lengthy list. I just share this WhatsApp in this PDF in this WhatsApp groups so that you all can go through. And I thank management for supporting the department. It's not so easy to conduct the event from 2018, though it was a COVID duration. We have conducted this event online, and the students even at that time they have presented a lot of projects. I request each and every member present here to please visit the carnival. You see the projects, 20 different various projects which the students have done. And they are still in their engineering, second year and third year, and they have done a lot of hard work. I request each and every member who is present here, all the faculty of global professional colleges, to visit Carnival once. You can really give any inputs if you have, and also the jury is waiting to visit. And I will not take much time. Once again, I thank management, principal, dean, and all the staff members of the department and all the organizers for making this a successful. Thank you so much.
Thank you, sir, for your stimulating presentation. Now I request Mr. K.M. Fasiuddin, sir, Director of Global Professional Colleges, to declare the Electronics Carnival 2026 open.
I declare the carnival open.
Now I request Mrs. Anvajan ma'am, Assistant Professor and Coordinator, Electronics Carnival 2026, Department of Electronics and Communication, Global Institute of Engineering and Technology, to present the theme of Electronics Carnival. Please.
Distinguished delegates, respected staff members, dear students, a very good morning to one and all. I feel truly privileged to stand before you today to present the theme of our grand celebration, Electronics Carnival, the United Talents 2026. A few years ago, the Electronics Carnival began as a modest exhibition where our students showcased their innovative projects. What started as a small departmental initiative quickly captured the imagination of many. It drew large crowds, sparked curiosity, and revealed a glimpse of the creativity and brilliance of our students. In these few short years, its popularity has grown by leaps and bounds, transforming the Electronics Carnival into one of our most anticipated departmental festivals. Through this platform, we aim to nurture innovation, encourage creativity, and strengthen the problem-solving spirit of our students by enabling them to bring their ideas to life through real-time projects. The Electronics Carnival provides an exceptional opportunity for students to engage with some of the brightest minds, exchange ideas, and evaluate their skills through hands-on learning experiences. This vibrant two-day event begins with a technical day where 21 exciting projects will be on display. These projects span emerging fields such as IoT applications, wireless sensor networks, robotics, embedded systems, and more. The next day, we conclude with a cultural day, a time to unwind, celebrate, and showcase the artistic and creative side of our students. And yes, no separate stage this time. No matter how high we soar in our achievements, we'll always stay grounded, quite literally. On behalf of our students, faculty, and head of the department, I extend a warm and heartfelt welcome to each one of you. Let's come together to celebrate knowledge, innovation, and teamwork with the Electronics Carnival, the Enlightened Talents 2026. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. I request Dr. P. Radha Rao, Principal, Global Institute of Engineering and Technology, to please address the gathering.
Good afternoon, everyone. Respected Director Sir and all the dignitaries on the dais, and off the dais, and all the young students. A warm welcome to this electronic carnival. I'm very happy to share my just one or two thoughts about this carnival. For the last 2 years, it went very well. The vibration is very high. I'm very happy for that. But at the same time, my observation is that the EC department is getting strengthened day by day. But how about mechanical engineering, civil engineering, and other branches? That is some class asking about the publishing articles from the other departments. So I request Director Sir to strengthen the other departments also, to encourage the faculty to publish the papers also. In fact, I can also publish papers, but that doesn't, we cannot tell that because my subject is biotechnology. Recently I have produced 3 more PhDs. So total 8 PhDs I have produced. But that doesn't make any, to say that it is to so and so. So my appeal to director sir and my appeal to vice principal also to strengthen HMS department, mechanical department and civil engineering department, and I request all the faculty from all these three departments to conduct such carnivals from mechanical, civil and HMS also. Thank you for the opportunity.
Thank you, sir, for your address. Now I request Professor Dr. Mrs. Ravanti Tiwari, Madam, Dean, Global Professional Colleges, to address the gathering. Thank you.
Very good afternoon to one and all. Our distinguished dynamic director, Sati sir, our beloved principal Rajarao sir, and backbone and spinal cord of the college, Ahmed Khan sir, there is no exaggeration in this. She is the coordinator for this unique event. My dear heads, deans, dear students, and all others who have contributed for this event today. This event is not an ordinary event, mind you. It is a celebration of innovation, creativity, and the power of technology. Electronics is no longer limited to wires, circuits, and equations. It is the heartbeat and backbone of modern world. From the smartphones in our hands to satellites in space, from medical equipment that saves lives to smart systems that shape our future, electronics is everywhere. This electronic carnival, as Dr. Dishan mentioned, was started in 2018 and this is the 9th year. I would just like to share here one aspect that in 2018, I remember, we had a small banner, of course in this seminar hall which was not so well renovated, thanks to sir. And there was just our Global College of Technology. But then in this 8 years span, short span, we have logo of NBA, we have logo of NAC+, we have logo of UGC Autonomy, we have logo of Institutions Innovation Council, we have logo of it gives, encouragement to all of us. And I thank management and particularly Dr. Mr. Fasiyuddin sir for putting so many efforts and always having a higher vision. So if we plan for something, that will definitely occur and that will happen. Today is not just an event, it is a platform where ideas turn into reality and imagination into practicality. I am sure that most of us have seen the banner near the police station, not banner, sorry, it's a big hoarding of our college, on the road near the police station, Global College. And what is the caption? Ideas into innovation. So, big round of applause to sir because this is the caption which he selected. So, today we will witness exciting exhibits and creative solutions who have dared to think differently and put them on the table. Each project, I'm sure, represents hard work, teamwork, and a passion to explore beyond textbooks. Some ideas may seem smaller today, but remember, every great invention began as a simple thought. Let this carnival inspire us to learn, innovate, and build a smarter and better tomorrow. Sir has sorted everything. Even I have 3 pages, I'll finish it off. Today's rapidly evolving world, electronics is playing a critical role in almost every domain, whether it is communication, healthcare, automation, renewable energy, and artificial intelligence. The projects and competitions which we begin in the carnival showcase today demonstrate how young engineers are not just learning technology but actively applying to solve real world problems. I was listening to what Dr. Ishan has told about the department and how the students and the teachers are striving hard to get something. And I should say that this department, though now increasing to 30, is a role model for all other departments. And as Dr. Rajarao sir told, mechanical and civil and other departments whatsoever also should follow certain of the best positive and proactive features from the department, from our colleagues, from the student community, and see that we all come under one umbrella of uniqueness. So this carnival provides a platform for students to explore beyond theoretical concepts, collaborate across disciplines, develop practical skills essential for industry and research. Each exhibit, I'm sure, will represent hours of dedication, innovation, and teamwork. I wish everyone to engage with the participants, exchange ideas, and make the most of this opportunity to learn and network. And again, as Rishan sir told, let us all go and encourage, inspire, and see the exhibits. And my only wish is that the prototypes which are displayed on the tables should become useful, real models, or practically they should be applicable to the society. Let this event inspire us to think critically, innovate responsibly, and contribute meaningfully to technological advancement. I would like to express my sincere gratitude to the management, all the staff members who have pushed, put their energy, who have guided our students so that they also gain something, and as enlightened talents, they are able to showcase their talents. Lastly, if Ayub sir permits, a small para poem on Carnival of Dreams and Projects. Dreams awaken the silent night, GIET dances, hearts feel light, footsteps echo, laughter flows, a carnival where talent just grows. Ideas sparkle, minds ignite, dreams take shape in neon light. Every project a story told of hands that dare and minds so bold. Voices cheer, the crowds alive, moments bloom and memories thrive. Time stands still in vibrant air, technology lingers everywhere. A carnival where we belong, in shared smiles and rhythmic song. GIT lights fade out and silence calls. Its joy lives within us all. With these few words, thank you for this.
Thank you, ma'am. Now I request Mr. K.M. Fasiuddin, sir, Director, Global Professional Colleges, to address the gathering.
Forgive me if I look taller than usual because I have a small platform here available. Very good morning to all of you, and especially to the dignitaries on dais and the dignitaries sitting in front of me right now. Professor Rajarao sir, Dean Madam, Vice Principal sir, Rahman sir, Shama ma'am, heads and faculties of all departments. Thank you so much, sir, Rishan sir, for especially planning this out. And I remember in 2018 when sir had a plan, when sir had an idea along with his colleagues for this carnival. We were a little skeptical about what he wanted to do because as usual, me along with other people underestimated sir's vision back in 2018, and especially how he carried forward this legacy of this carnival even during COVID years. Even the honors board, I remember, it was the second year, I believe second or third year when you had it crafted by the carpenter. So everything had a vision attached to it, which is what I think I admire the most about Zishan. All right, he has a very deep sense of legacy and vision attached to everything he says, which is something we all need to learn. Whether you're old or young, it doesn't matter. The learning process is a learning process from everyone at any given point of time. EC department, as usual, has always been ahead of this in this organization of other departments. Let me be very honest about it, and I'm sure all of you agree with this. Forgive me if anyone feels bad about it. forgive me. Khaja sir is witness to it, because it was not because of anything else. It was not because some student was there in it or the management took a special interest in that particular department. No, it is always because of the particular faculties, the people who work in the department. And at that point of time, our department of Tripoli used to be the best department in this cluster. I remember many people used to take admission in Tripoli because of the faculties, not because of the love of the department or the career prospects in it. All right, so this is how I believe EC is right now. And this is why, as Sir mentioned, that EC department is going to increase its intake now, hopefully in the year 2026 academic year. And it is not because of anyone's benevolence or anybody else. It is only because of the supply and demand, which I feel which will be fulfilled in the department this year, hopefully. And obviously, as I was just mentioning about the department, you know, when you travel anywhere, when you go for a vacation, you go to a beautiful place, or you want to settle down somewhere, you go to a place like US or somewhere you want to travel to other countries. You go to the UK or the US or the Australia or Canada or something like that. You go there not because of anything else, but already of a good diaspora of Indians already existing there. So it means a place is defined by the people you have over there, and similarly a department is also defined by the faculty present in that department. The buzzword for any institution, any technical institution, is obviously research, and kudos to the department, because an astounding number has just been thrown out of 18 papers being published in this academic year by the department, which I believe about it or sad, because I think it is put together more than the rest of the departments. Am I right? So that is something the rest of the departments need to pay heed to. And my father used to tell me all the time that the world is run by optimists. The world is taken forward only by optimists. It was a very thoughtful thing he used to tell me all the time, which I did not pay heed to back then when I was smaller. But now when I come to think of it, it is very profound. Meaning, when you're talking about an idea or a vision, generally the pessimists, the people who tell you that it can't be done, seem very clever and very thoughtful or visionary, that, you know, this is a very practical approach, it can't be done. And generally the people who tell you that this can be done seem foolish, right? But those are the people, the optimists, who say it can be done, are generally the people who earn money, who earn fame, who earn name throughout the world. Am I right or wrong? Right? Because what happens is, any idea put forward is generally discriminated against. It can't be done, it is not possible, or something like that, people tell you. And that is the way of things, because it is so easy, it can be done, because everyone will be able to do it, right? So if something has to be achieved, it is only achieved by a few people and only the optimists, remember that. So research also is a part of all this. Everything seems bleak, it's very bleak, and sometimes it can't be achieved, you will think about it like that, but if you put enough perseverance in it, enough consistent effort in it, definitely it can be achieved. As Madam was saying, as Sir was also sharing about the research work done by the department, so kudos to the ECA department. And I would like to announce that especially because of the faculties of the EC department, not just Ishan sir, but all of you put together, ma'am, sir, everyone, and the amazing research work and the increasing day-by-day efficiency put together by all of you, there needs to be a cash prize announced for all of you. The first prize will be of 10,000 rupees, cash prize, and second and third prize will also be a cash reward, but that will be announced later. That is one thing. But one request by me, or rather condition by me, is that this 10,000 will be given to you only when the best idea, sir and faculty, all of you, please pay heed to this, is implemented in the campus in some way or the other. Alright? And if it is implemented, then award will be increased more than 10,000. That is my guarantee. All of you have it in recording. Remind me that. But the idea needs to be implemented in the campus in some small way or a big way, and only then will that be encouraged. That is my promise. You have it in recording. But it has to be implemented in the campus. That is my condition. Alright? And of course, the department, as I was sharing again and again, is doing amazingly well in the research work and everything, and which is why the faculty will also get rewarded for that. And similarly, I want the other departments also to get rewarded for it. But as a challenge, I want you all to take it, the CSE department, the AIML department, and all of you. In the next 2 months, I want you to organize a similar event of a bigger stature. Alright? And I want you to put Zishan sir, Rajarao sir, team madam in an advisory capacity. Not in a completely wholesome authority, but in an advisory capacity. I want the faculty of the AIML and the CSE department to organize a bigger event than this in the next 2 months. So that is a challenge in front of all of you. Once again, well done. And hopefully this will carry on the legacy. This is the 9th year, sir? The 9th year, right? So next year will be the 10th year. That will be a bigger event than this, I believe. Okay. Thank you once again. Thank you so much.
Thank you, sir, for your inspiring address.
Now I request Mr. Devaraju sir, Assistant Professor, Department of Electronics and Communication Engineering, Global Institute of Engineering and Technology to present the vote of thanks.
Good afternoon, one and all. I feel honored and privileged to get the opportunity to propose vote of thanks on this special occasion. I would like to thank all the honorable delegates who blessed us with their presence. I, on behalf of organizing committee, convey deep regards and hearty thanks to our honorable director, K.M. Fasildin sir, Director, Global Professional Colleges, for being with us today. Thank you, sir, for your presence and support in organizing this event. I would like to thank Dr. Ravindra Tiwari Madam, Dean, Global Professional Colleges, for your inspiring words and always helping us in carrying out the department activities. Thank you, Madam. I would like to thank Dr. Rajarao sir, Principal, Global Institute of Engineering and Technology, for gracing this occasion. Thank you, sir. My special thanks to our beloved head, Dr. G. Ahmad Jishan sir, Head, Department of EC and Vice Principal, Global Institute of Engineering and Technology, for giving us this platform and your constant help and support towards organizing this event. Thank you, sir. This event would not have been possible without you. I would like to thank Altafur Rahman, Associate Head, Department of EC, for his endless efforts, and Anwar Chan Madam, Coordinator, Electronics Carnival 2026, in organizing this great event. Lastly, I would like to thank all the participants and organizing committee for your support. Thank you all.
Thank you, sir. Now I request everyone to please assemble in room number 26 for project display.
वीडियो With time and up to 1 2 months. With night vision. Light is very clear sir, because of its infrared radar.
Very good. Very good. Done, sir? Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Sir, due to the hirings radar application, we can add into the radio network, and by that we can submit the peers, the other details where people can't know how to study and research.
So size should be very small.
Yes, sir. We should decrease the size so that it can go anywhere and everyone can take the research from it and apply.
Very good.
I will assemble this only for members. When I enter some number, they said that there will be this change sensor.
Then it will generate an IP address. So we have IP address index. Then we will operate the system. On the door and automatically log the IP address.
One sensor is we can use it for entering the car. Other sensor is for exiting the car. To exit car, it will sense the car and show the slots, remaining slots, how many slots are there. Like that, it will show. The car one is entered. It will automatically detect the sensor car and it will show the car. It will show the remaining three slots. Remaining three slots. So all cars are entered in this parking. The all cars are entered in this parking. If the fifth car will come in this parking, it will show the parking is full.
Okay, very nice, very nice.
Like this, it will be worked, sir. We can implement in this real-time project also.
You can actually.
Yeah, we can
Think about it.
Yes.
Yes, yes, yes.
We don't need any guard for the parking.
Yes, very good. Think about it.
బయటికి తీసుకొని ఇప్పుడు ఎంటాలి ఇంటి నుంచి ఎంటాలి ఫస్ట్ దగ్గర నుంచి చూసాయి Yes, sir.
This 4 channel module is just like a switches. Each block represents the switch. And this temperature sensor sets the temperature and humidity in the nature sir. And this LED sensor is sense the light intensity in the environment. And this Wi-Fi module is the medium between the electronic appliance and this model. This is the connection diagram of this project. And we can do the schedule and automations to this project easily. And this is base project of this IoT. We can control electronic appliances through the phone like this.
Nice.
We can schedule the all to our timings like this, adding the action, save. We can add the action switch one like this. We can control the electronic appliances through the Alexa and Google Boots. Alexa, turn on switch one. Network issues.
Oh, nice. Very good.
We can control all appliances with Alexa and manually.
You utilize this
Yeah.
as a campus also.
It is aware the backward
have to charge the EV vehicles manually. So we will having some, we will take time to charge and some is not we will be having some achievement. So to avoid the charging, we are using this product. So however, since when we apply the brakes, that means that heat is generated. So our DC motors convert the mechanical to electrical energy.
It converts AC to DC.
Here we have created a system like where the system gets started. So let us assume we have a so whenever it is running, nothing is happening. When I apply the brakes, motors are getting hot. So whenever the motors are getting hot, whenever I brake, it does not stop suddenly. It takes some time. So between that time, motors will rotate. With that motion, electrical energy from motors passes through the battery. Here the main code is rectifier and mainly one with like it applies current to motor to battery. Like this electrical energy is passing to battery. Like this we have made our project. So this is about the project on network. We are already having electric cars, but we are not having electric bikes on this list. But each and every middle class does not afford cars. So for that purpose,
Why is the companies implementing this? Are not implementing this already?
because we already have
But not okay, bikes, but why is it not being bikes?
because it takes more and more cost to make it cheaper. It takes some time. So later on.
small step-down transformer inside. That step-down transformer steps the voltage of 30 volts AC, 12 volts, step-down voltage. Step-down
Closes for more than 3 seconds.
Yes, we have to set the time in program, sir. We have to run the code. In that we have to set time.
3
or 4
seconds. Continuously if he closes for 3 seconds. Buzzer.
Once she closes eyes,
If we present as vehicles.
moving your right.
Actually, the sensor is not located here. Because of this, it is not detected correctly.
Without wearing it, can you see it? Moving the sensor. Without wearing it. Good idea. Good idea.
It is finally implemented in vehicles for the interior safety and operating
Has it already been implemented? So it must be integrated into the windshield only. Am I right? No? In the windshield only. Is it implemented in any cars? Camera. That's what in the windshield is it, right?